What's going on, A-Team? It's your Captain Terrain Senior, All Terrain Cleaning Solutions, LLC. Visit us online at allterrain.com. Schedule for your gutter cleaning, roof soft wash, house soft wash, driveway, patio, surface cleaning, dryer vent cleaning. We got you. Of course, you all know that we've been doing gutter guard installs, and so here we are for one of our loyal clients. We were out about 9 months ago and did some services for him, roof or patio wash over the patio cover and gutter cleaning. And I talked to him and suggested that that they might want to install or think about doing gutter guards, and so they took me up on that, and here I am out doing the install. I'm gonna try to set this way, so I'm not sure how much you can see, but what we'll do is pretty much kind of dry fit it in there. But I'm gonna leave this right here for a second. Make this definitely on my phone coming off this roof. So let me go put this one in. Okay, everything's looking nice and uniform over here. I'll show you in a second. Okay, so let's go ahead and take you on a look there. So these right here, they come with, these are the easy on gutter guard. So far I did this whole side here, right? And they have the self-tapping screws. All you need is the impact gun, and have your bit that's actually magnetic to hold your screws, and then you just pop them in every 18 to 20 inches. So that way they're permanently sealed to the gutter, and they're not like the stick-on or clip-on that just pop out. So, hey, reach out to us and inquire if you have any inquiries about how to make your roof, or your gutter line, I should say, and you want to keep it maintenance-free. Now, with this one, I should say, look at this big tree right here. This tree ends up dropping peas. Well, they look like peas. They're green until they end up sitting like this on the roof. And I came up and blew all this off as a courtesy, but that's the stuff that's baked there. So this kind of might need a wash, but all they would have to do is just blow this off, as opposed to getting in those gutters. And if you see down there, there's probably about 100 pounds of debris, mainly from, I would say at least half of it from right here, and then the other half from in the back and the front and on the side. So anyhow, visit us at allterrain.com and schedule for your exterior cleaning needs. And like I said, we do some gutter guard installation. So let us know if you're in the Sacramento region. We'd love to assist you and talk to you. Have a great day. Bye now.